In the previous video, we completed the piston rod. Now we are moving on to the piston rod cap, a crucial part that secures the connecting rod to the crankshaft. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Let's begin designing the piston rod cap. Take the new design workspace. Make sure your units are in inches. Invoke create sketch, select right plane, and from create, take center point arc, and from origin, draw an arc and radius. We'll give 7. Okay. Let's give constraint, this horizontal constraint from origin to the end of the arc. Okay. Let's offset it. We'll offset it to distance 2. We can connect these offsets by drawing the line. Now we can extrude it. Invoke extrude feature. Profile is already selected. Okay. In direction, change to symmetric. In measurement, select wall length and give distance 13 inch. Okay. Now take create sketch. Select the right plane as sketching plane. And from create, take center point arc from origin. We'll draw an arc of radius 11. Okay, now we'll connect this. Make it construction. Draw a center line. Deactivate the construction. From here, first we'll project this arc. Now we'll connect the projected arc, projection line here to this. Let's give dimension. The distance is 14. And this distance is 7. Okay. Next we'll mirror this. Select all these lines and mirror plane, center line. Okay. Okay, now we'll trim this. Next we'll extrude. Invoke extrude feature. The profile is selected already. Direction symmetric, measurement wall length, and extrude it to 6 inches. Okay, now we can give fillet. Select full round fillet, and we have to select this face and add one more. Select. No, this is not the view we want. We'll delete that. Again, you have to add one more selection and select this face. Okay. Now we have got correct fillet. Now we'll select this face as sketching plane and we'll draw a circle, diameter 3. Opposite, also we'll draw a circle of diameter 3. Let's give concentric constraint. Okay. Now we can extrude this. Invoke extrude feature, select the profile and we will create holes. Okay, we will extrude cut it. Yes. Now we have almost completed the rod cap. Now for finishing, we'll give fillet. Invoke fillet feature. Select these two edges and give fillet of radius 2. Okay. This is the final look of the rod cap. Now we have successfully completed designing the piston rod cap. Now we will move on to create the other components.